fluffy.
Yeah. Oh, look!
Hi, I'm Laurence.
Hi, I'm Cédric from blah blah blah, and we are MASC artists.
So we offer a dubbing workshop by transforming each classroom into a recording studio, and students record their voices over short video clips from animated films and cartoons, etc.
Blah blah blah, we love you to be creative, to change your voices, to add more. 2, 3, 4. The students are offered to learn how to express themselves, but mainly to how to speak first in front of a microphone. They can take their place in the world because it's metaphoric in front of a microphone. They have to take their place, and then how to place their voices, and then being able to act through crazy characters sometimes, and they love it.
Who's hiding them? Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man?
I think teachers would see quite a few benefits from the program. Firstly, some of the curriculum links to language, so oral speaking and listening, drama, but also the technology. The link to technology I think is really valuable.
I always tell them, for you to be willing to come in front of my microphone, that's the most beautiful victory of the day.
What is a compliment? Better out than in, I always say.
Well, it's no way to behave in front of a princess.
Thanks.
Don't tell him anything, no!
That's why I'm always excited before getting into a new classroom, because you never know what you get.